The Milestone credit card is a popular credit card option for people with bad credit, but there are a few mistakes that people might make when using it that cost them money and prevent them from getting the most out of the card. The first is applying for an unsecured credit card for bad credit when you don't need to borrow. This card is mostly marketed to people with bad credit, so it's a solid choice for people who need to borrow money, but not for people who don't plan to charge much and are just looking to build credit. The second is paying an annual fee if rebuilding credit is your top priority. This card has an annual fee, and that's really only worth paying if you want the ability to borrow money that it provides. If you just want to rebuild your credit, a secured credit card is a better choice. Secured cards usually have $0 annual fees. The third is carrying a balance for more than 3 months. The longer it takes to pay down your emergency expenses, the more costly they'll become because this card's high APR piles up interest charges. Fourth is assuming approval is guaranteed. This card is relatively easy to qualify for since it's meant for people who have bad credit, but approval is never guaranteed. If you don't have a steady income, for example, you might be rejected. Another big thing that would disqualify you is having a pending bankruptcy. And finally is having unrealistic credit limit expectations. This card has a relatively low minimum credit limit, and people with bad credit shouldn't expect higher limits. Plus, the card's annual fee will immediately reduce whatever you're paid. So you shouldn't expect this to be a card that you can use to make big ticket purchases. Now that you've learned what not to do with the Milestone credit card, you're ready to decide whether or not to submit an application. For more information and to apply online, just click the button right here.